Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new profile onto your Disney Plus account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Disney Plus website from which you can log into your account if you haven't done so already by using your email address and your password. Now, once you are logged in, hover over to your account icon at the top right corner. And now you will see the Add Profile option. Go ahead and click on this and you can choose your avatar for your desired profile. After choosing your avatar, you can enter your profile name. And now if you wish to enable Junior mode, you can simply click on the toggle. Now click on the Save button and then click on Full Catalog if you wish to provide access to the full catalog for this profile. You will then be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your account password and click on the Continue button. Now you will be able to set up a pin for this profile if you wish to do so. Just type in your desired pin and then click on the Set Profile Pin button. And now your profile has immediately been created. You can simply click on this profile from the Who's Watching screen and enter your pin in order to log into this new profile on your Disney Plus account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a new profile on Disney Plus. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.